Hello guys, welcome back to the second part of Simple Login tutorial series. In this video, we are going to create the HTML layout for our login template. If you have not seen the first video, I recommend you to watch it first. With that being said, let's get started. Okay, here, let's change our page title. And, we don't need this title anymore. Now, go back to the Bootstrap page, and under the Layout section, select the Containers link. As you can see here, containers and grid system are the basic building block of Bootstrap. I don't have enough time to explain these in this video, so I suggest you to read this documentation. For now, let's copy the basic container code from the below section and paste it on our page. Alright, for better visibility, let's format this code. If you are using Visual Studio Code, you can use the keyboard shortcut, Alt, Shift and F keys, to format the content. Okay, now let's copy this comment, and add it to the end of container div. Adding comments to closing tags is a good practice. It helps to make sure that the elements are being closed properly. Alright, now, let's see what are these grid systems. Go back to the Bootstrap page, and select the grid link, under the Layout tab. Here you can read more about grids. For now, as a quick reference, these are predefined classes, which helps to create responsive layout. Here, this is a basic grid system, with container, row and column classes. To make this layout more responsive, there are 6 breakpoints, for different screen sizes, that we can customize. Okay, let's try it. Just copy this row, and column, and paste it inside the container. We need to close this row div. Alright, let me make it more readable, real quick. Okay, I just formatted this code, and added comments to it. Now, let's try it on the browser. Well, there is no sensible changes here. So, let's add some background colors, and try again. Alright, let's add some texts, to make it more sensible. Okay, now, let's try it on the browser again. Well, this doesn't look good either. There is something wrong with our code. Anyway, let's add some padding, and try again. To add margin, or padding to an element, we can try Bootstrap spacing utility classes. To do that, open the Bootstrap page, and search for padding, or spacing. Here, these are the classes, M for margin, and P for padding. For further customization, there are these extensions. For example, MT for margin top, or PT for padding top. And, these are the values we can have for padding, or margin. By default, the value is a multiples of 4. Let me explain this a little more in details, with an example. If we add padding 1, or P-5 class to an element, as the spacer variable value is 1 em, which is 16 pixel by default, the padding is set to a value of 1/4 of spacer variable, that is, 4 pixel padding is added to the element. Alright, now, let's add some padding, and try it on the browser. Okay, it's not working, because I accidentally deleted the relationship attribute from the CSS link. Alright, now it should work. Beautiful, this is how the default grid layout look. It's pretty much responsive already. However, you can do own customization, and make it as responsive as you need. So, that's it for this video. I hope you liked it, and we'll see you in the next session. And as always, thank you for watching.